Alrighty, so in today's video, we are up here back at the field, but today I have a very special opportunity because I discovered that there's some really cool bulldozers right over there. What? Can't really point. There it is. Over there. And they're positioned in such a way that I was thinking to myself, this would be a really cool place to fly my FPV drone through those bulldozers, or whatever you want to call those. So that is what we're going to be doing today. I have my drone ready. Everything should be working pretty good, so I'm just going to be flying around here. I've taken a good look at everything, pretty confident in where everything is, so I don't accidentally crash into some unknown wire. And yeah, it should be a ton of fun. I'm really looking forward to being able to see the footage that I get from this, because I've always wanted to fly through something like this, and now I finally get my chance. Good. Plenty of battery on my goggles. We are off. Alright, let's cruise around here for a second. Thing seems good. Make sure nobody's stocking up on me. Kind of hear some noises. Just come fly by real low. Check for anybody. Looks like there's a guy sitting over there. No problems though. Alrighty. Now, if I was a little bit more experienced, I would actually try to do some sort of trick through here, such as like a power loop through the whatchamacallits, but I'm not that good, so we don't try that stuff. Little loops around though, still quite enjoyable, especially in the sunlight. Makes for some really cool footage at least. I like how quiet this quad is. Like when it's even just, 30 or 40 feet away from me, it's crystal quiet. That's even an expression. Not too good at recovering from going inverted. I tend to get a little nervous as I get close to the ground. I mean, nobody wants to hit the ground, right? I hope I'm not alone with that. Ooh, there's some wires over there. That would be bad. I don't want to hit those. So there is another bulldozer over there, and I thought about going through it, but all the metal of the bulldozer has a pretty high chance of like getting mixed up in my transmission, so I really don't want that to happen. Alright, I want to try something here. Yeah, it's okay. It wasn't really worth it, but it definitely wasn't the cleanest of moves there. Could have made that a lot better. Let's go over here. Let's see what's over here. Yeah, some dirt. I see a lot of dirt. There's a nice little dirt pile over here. I do like myself a good dirt pile. Got a low battery signal for like a half second, so I guess my voltage is hovering around that low battery, but not quite there yet. It's got a little bit more juice left. Although honestly, getting a low battery signal is kind of nerve-wracking. That was pretty smooth there. I was better. Of course, right about the time that my low battery warning comes around is the time that I'm getting most comfortable with the quad, so by then it's a little too late. Ooh, I never thought to try something here. Oh gosh, that is risque. Should not have gone that way. Okay, just a little bit. Let's try this again. Yeah, not the smoothest with the tricks here, you know. I don't think I really have a right to blame the quad because it's probably just not that good. Oh, that one was pretty good. Ooh, if I hadn't like overestimated the recovery necessary, that would have been solid. Cut the grass a little bit there. Well, I'm surprised. Our voltage should be getting low by now, but it's just kind of hovering almost at the low enough, but not quite. My timer's counting down on the remote, so I guess I'll just do it once the timer goes off. Oh, there it is. Alright, let's try. Okie dokie. Guess our battery is done. We will make our way home here. My pixelated, grainy self coming into view. Whew. Okay. Well, that was one battery. It was a solid flight.